Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to withdraw money from Outlier AI. So, for example, once you've completed tasks in Outlier AI, for example, this one, so getting paid is simple because you don't manually request a withdrawal. Instead, the Outlier processes the payments automatically once you set up your payment method. So, first is you have to log into your account, okay? And then here, just go to your Outlier AI account and to your profile. So currently, the Outlier AI is not available in my region, so I cannot really show you that. But still, you just have to follow along. Okay, so once you are done, for example, this task right here, okay, so during the onboarding, you will be asked to choose your preferred payment method. So for most international contributors, the Outlier supports PayPal and AirTM. So if you're based in the United States, you may also have the option to receive payments through ACH bank transfers. And then after selecting your payment method, you just have to link your account by entering the required informations, such as your payment, your PayPal email address or AirTM account details, and make sure that everything is correct to avoid payment delays. And once you've completed eligible tasks, the Outlier automatically processes the payments every Tuesday, and payments cover approved work completed during the previous pay period. So there's no withdraw button that you need to click. So when the payment is sent, if you choose PayPal, the money will appear into your PayPal account, and if you choose the AirTM, the funds will arrive in your AirTM wallet, and then you can then withdraw them to your local bank account, e-wallet, or other supported payout methods available in your country. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.